Unlike so many other times, we ran into yellow jackets, of all things, doing the insulation underneath. And I have a new tool that we tried out. It's a super soaker. I paid $1 for it. And we put Dawn dish soap and water. And guess what? There was a whole bunch flying around now. But the thing about a super soaker is it lets you get way back, and it don't cost $5 a tube. See, it's kind of fun. So you got to pump it up, and don't break. Anyway, we'll be back to fixing something else because I pulled it too far. Anyway, try using a squirt gun, or in this case, a super soaker, and Dawn dish soap.
And hot water.
Hot water? Well, you don't have to use hot water. Anyway, there you go.